Hey, so this is my quick rundown on how to get you guys some more clients your way, headed your way, and kind of increase your guys' online web exposure to hopefully help you guys out a little bit. So first thing, this is Danica Shea Photography, obviously. Beautiful site. Love all the pictures you're doing. I mean, if we lived closer to you guys, I would have hired you to do our wedding. So kind of how everything works, there's three things I want to talk to you about today. First thing is paid ads. So this is where you're using Google pay-per-click, and you're paying a certain amount for each click, and that's putting you in these top spots when you're looking at Google search. Next one is the map pack. So to get in the map pack, this is different mentions of your business name, address, and phone number on the web, and it's called a citation. So the majority of this is all based off of the number of citations you had, and we'll kind of dive into this a little more later. And then we have organic rankings. So this is people who aren't paying to have their websites in these locations, at least not paying Google, but have these organic rankings to get their websites into these spots. So again, looking at your website, one thing that I think would definitely help you guys out on this site is increasing the amount of content you have. Right now you have 165 words. Generally for a website, I try to target 1,500 words on a homepage. Not saying you're going to want to do that with yours because it is a little different aesthetic you're going for with it being photography. But at least having, 300 more words than your highest competitor would definitely help you out in that regard. So going into your competitors, the first one I looked at was, these are all your directory sites. So these are actually super easy to pass up because Google prefers to have the local businesses over these. So seeing all these up here first does not scare me whatsoever. Stephanie Maballo is the first one. I believe this is her set, not Les Kendra. There it is. Okay. So Stephanie Maballo. So this is her site. Compared to yours, definitely has less content. Where she is winning you over on this one is in the backlinks. So backlinks, what that is backlinks is a reference to your site on another site, and in turn that gives what's called link juice back to your site and increases the popularity. So site A links to site B, gives some of its link juice to site B, and Google thinks that, okay, this site is more popular, and so it increases the rankings for that site. So for Stephanie Maballo, I can look at the number of backlinks she has and where she's getting her backlinks. So she currently has 1,100 backlinks from 91 referring domains. And so what that means is that she has 91 sites that she's actually getting a backlink from. So the total number of backlinks, I know it seems like a lot, but it's not as scary as it seems. And then I can also see what you're looking for with these backlinks is you're looking for do follow or no follow. So with the do follow backlinks, that means you're actually getting some of this backlink juice back to your website. So she only has 51 do follow referring domains, which means it wouldn't be super hard to be able to pass her up. It would definitely be a challenge, but to be able to pass her up in the rankings wouldn't be some unachievable feat whatsoever. Looking at some more of your competition, I had the Kendra Elise site pulled up here. She has the most content out of all the sites I had looked at today. She has just short of 1,200 words on her site. So, you would want to try to do a little bit more content than what she does have on there. Backlinks wise, she has 719 backlinks and 91 referring domains. 71 of those referring domains are do follow. So really, to kind of get you into that top spot for organic search, you're going to want to do at least 71 backlinks to get you into that spot. Kind of the statistics I go by for as far as how much traffic you can expect. So if you can get into this top spot right here, you can figure on 33% of all search traffic going to your website. So what that means in regards to Wedding Photographer Boise, Idaho, I'm able to see I can search by keyword difficulty and search volumes. So Boise Wedding Photographer actually had a higher search volume than the term I had just shown you a second ago. Search volume for that is roughly 400 per month. So that means 400 different people are searching for Boise wedding photographer every month, which is a pretty good search volume. The keyword difficulty is a 15. That's on a scale of 1 to 100. So to get you ranked in somewhere, in that top spot would definitely be a doable feat. Cost per click. So if you did want to run paid ads, which is where you'd be getting your website into these spots right here, you're looking at about 90 cents per click, is the estimate they're giving. So, if you're wanting to get leads headed towards your company right away, definitely doable to get some paid ads. SEO is kind of a long game. So what that means is I kind of plan on SEO taking anywhere from 3 to 6 months before you're really seeing the results. You'll start seeing your website climb, as soon as you start throwing some of these backlinks and stuff towards your website. But before you can really expect to get into those top spots, you're usually looking at least 3 to 6 months. So the last thing I wanted to talk about was this Google Map Packs. This is a great option to get your business into these spots super fast. And what this is everybody has a cell phone these days, and they're oftentimes searching wedding photographer near me. And so this is all relevant to location. So if you are close to them within Boise, Idaho, or wherever you're exactly located, I don't know exactly where your guys' home base is, having your company listed in these would help you guys out with those relevant searches. And so like I talked about citations earlier, I have a cool tool that allows me to see what your competitors are doing for citations. So you can look at Jenny Lucy, photography was one of the ones I had shown you. She has 18 citations, which is super low, and then Stephanie Maballo, she has 22. So whenever I do citations, I usually just go for like 100 of them, just really blow your competition out of the water. And in turn, it would make it super easy to get you into these spots here for the map packs, which would definitely be a bump in your guys' leads headed your way. So if you have any questions on any of this, feel free to let me know. But this is kind of everything I have for the wedding photography website. Thank you.